Okay, so now I've got my database and my table created. I'm now going to insert some contents into my table so that actually I know that it's created and it's actually going to allow me to put data in. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take this further and we're going to allow the user to enter their username and first name and surname and email address. So it's like a register account. So similar to above, I'm going to use cursor.execute. Also, we can put this into functions as well. So when we take this a little bit further, I want to put it into functions so that it's a much more efficient and it's much more user friendly and manageable with a larger program. So I'm going to do cursor.execute insert into, and I'm going to put the name of my table, which is employees. Now I need to tell it what I'm going to insert, so I'm going to insert ID, fname, sname, email, ad, and department. So now I'm going to enter values. So ID1, first name John, surname Smith, department, email address first, so j.smith@example.com, and department finance. Bracket. Now I'm going to close that execution, and then I'm going to end with db.commit. So if I save this and run this, okay, it doesn't like something. What doesn't it like? It doesn't like value. Why doesn't it like value? Because I've missed off an S. Should be values, more plural. Let's run this. Okay, so I've got no error there. So all we want to do now is I'm going to quickly just open up the database, and so there it is, called details. Let's run this. Oh, sorry about this, guys. There it is at the top. If I open this up, there's my table called employees. Double click on it, and there we go. I've got my different columns. I click on browse data, and there we have it. First person we have entered into our database, John Smith, j.smith@example.com, and he works in finance.